Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Looking at Amazon on the daily and weekly time frame, so the bulls are very strong, but every time we hit a new all-time high, that upper Bollinger Band is stronger than the bulls and rejects the price. So new all-time high, upper wick showing profit taking, consolidate, backtest and bounce off moving average support, head to new all-time highs today, but again profit taking and a close near the low of the day. So Facebook, Amazon, and Netflix are all in a very similar situation where the charts are bullish, but the Bollinger Bands got so tight that they're not really allowing for any upside movement, and the bulls are not powerful enough to break out and close above those levels. So maintaining these supports as long as the 10-day and the middle Bollinger Band hold, the bulls are in full control, 766.23, 765.85. But if we lose those levels, we will be looking for some pullback. But again, Amazon at new all-time highs, bulls are very comfortable here, and just waiting for these Bollinger Bands to slowly ascend and create some room to the upside. You can see the MACD's ready and waiting for a bullish cross if we can get some momentum. The weekly chart is very strong. Consolidation. We haven't even touched the 10-week moving average in months. That's down at 754.79. We are on the verge of a bearish MACD cross. So if we were to lose some moving average on the daily time frame or to pull back to test that 10-week, we would see a bearish cross. So that would be worth noting and looking for some potential longer-term consolidation, maybe a couple weeks if that were to occur. So keeping an eye on that. Checking in on the 5-minute chart and some of the trading that was going on today. The theme of the week in my videos is the 20-period moving average support. On every time frame, it's extremely important. I use it on the daily all the time, but most notably on the 5-minute for day trading. So the bulls started very strong with the market bull reaction to the data this morning and held strong, and then we lost that 20-period moving average support. That's your bear signal right there. And we stayed in a bearish downtrend, rejecting from that 20-period moving average as we back tested it for about 3 hours. So if you went bearish, losing that support, and you stayed in as long as that was resistance, you had 3 hours of some nice downside. And if you were playing weekly puts or even next week puts, there would have been some nice gains to be had on that pullback. So some selling at the end of the day, some high volume on a last little sell-off in the 20 minutes there, which would lead me to believe that we have some weakness heading into early next week. And looking back at the daily chart, we could see that if we break the low, which was 771.70, we would be looking at those moving averages in the $766 range. So that's what we're looking at as we head into next week. Potential test of these moving averages, again, same as last time. New all-time high, rejected from the upper Bollinger Band, back test the moving average support, and as long as they hold, the bulls are in full control. On the verge of a bullish MACD cross, keeping an eye on it. I appreciate you watching. Have a great long weekend.